Welcome back to the Machine Shop 2.0. So this is the office slash parts, one of the parts rooms. We have a lot of our belt making equipment, belt stitching equipment, belts, some of our more expensive tools, specialty stuff, taps, dies, mics, real expensive stuff. A lot of the specialty machining tools, a lot of good stuff. Consumables, a lot of parts, a lot of screws, nuts, bolts. We've got probably everything here, I'm sure. So this is one of a couple rooms like this with nothing but parts. Things I don't even know what they are. A lot of belts. But yeah. The machine shop office. A fucking lot of parts in here, man. Trying to get familiarized with everything. I don't ever want to have to go looking for something and take an hour because I don't know where nothing is. Pretty excited. Could use a little cleaning, but it's not my decision. But yeah, the machine shop office. This is just another room. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. God, look at all this stuff. It's gonna take forever to get the feel of all this. But I'm game. Anyway, thanks for watching.